What's up guys, I'm Luis.
I'm Ralph.
And today we're gonna be changing the exhaust on the Nissan Skyline.
Yes, because right now it sounds like oh, but I want it to sound like oh.
What do you rate the sound so far?
It's a Nissan Skyline, so I say 10 out of 10, but maybe not his best 10 out of 10, you know? Then again, I rate everything about 10 out of 10.
Overall score of 10 out of 10.
Yeah, always 10 out of 10, but I guess for special circumstances, we could rate it about a 7 out of 10.
Alright, what are you doing?
I'm lifting the Skyline from the jacking point, bro. So I'll teach you a little something too, bro. Jacking point it's like a pressure point. See, when they first started designing these cars, they would let all the metal just liquefy at 98.2 Kelvin, I believe it was. And then they would forge it, and kind of like how they used to make the samurai swords. Yeah, they have to take it by the ocean and really let it heat up. Yeah, and they do a mix of metals at 38.6 degrees Celsius, which, if I'm not mistaken, carry the one somewhere around 82.9 degrees Kelvin. And yeah, bro, anyway, it's just to make it better for when you jack it up. It doesn't bend the metal.
Yeah, simple shit, right?
Yeah, bro, get back to work. Bring me the stand, bro.
Uh-oh. You hear that?
What?
I don't know.
Scanning, bro. Dude, watch my eye, bro.
There we go. Sweet. How do you feel?
Feel good, bro. Just removed the first bolt off a Skyline ever in my life. I'm gonna hang that bolt up.
Frame it.
Wear it on a chain.
First, you see it?
Yeah. It's like red hot.
Ooh. Blowing. Let's see if it comes out easy.
Oh yeah,
see
baby.
That?
Yeah, the maestro.
You see that shit?
Math scientist.
No problem.
Tony Stark over here. 212 degrees Celsius.
Kelvin?
Pretty hot. Kelvin, bro, don't try to be smart, bro. Like, these are not jokes, I'm telling you right here. Kelvin was just for the jacking point. So like I was saying, we're gonna heat this thing up to about 1,500 degrees Celsius, which is closely about the temperature of the sun on a cool day, at least during the winter. Hey, that was like red hot, bro. Should I let it go now?
A little more. It's hot?
A little bit. Let me tell you something, bro. If I couldn't stand here, I wouldn't be in this kitchen. You know Ah, what the f?
Hey, be careful, bro. Is it not hot? It's probably hot.
Hot? Nah, something bit me.
Bit you?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it not the bolt? The bolt probably touched you, no?
Nah, it's
a spider?
Hope not. These spiders. It's under my arm. I already have a rash.
We still got that. Yeah, we just need 2 more. But with that little thing, we're oh shit.
It was the bolt. I didn't get bit.
Is it bolt?
Yeah, it was the bolt that landed right here. And I thought something bit me. But then right now I touched it. It's hot.
Bit you?
That f***ing nut bit me.
Damn, that's hot. Alright, you can let go. Dang, bro.
That's like when, like, you're talking to a girl and y'all getting along really, really good. Y'all don't even say nothing. I don't know where y'all just start kissing. And both of y'all are like, damn, we were both already. Start spanking you.
Spanking you while you're driving?
Even though you told her that makes you really uncomfortable and please don't do that, but she doesn't care. But then you like that she doesn't respect you.
Be careful, they bite.
I swear to God, that's what they bit me, bro. I didn't know the nut had fell next to me and just burned my ass.
I've never had this much luck removing an exhaust. It's never been this easy.
It's because you've never bought something this expensive, bro. It just came ready to go. Just because we're dumbass doesn't mean you can be too. Hear that? What is that called? Street outlaws? Don't try this at home, folks.
All right, dude. Just wiggle this back
Hold on, before
to try to get the stud out. Yeah.
So you can like.
Just to wiggle. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's taking it out the front. Yeah, there we go. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Gotta beat this bitch's ass.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, hey. You just caught us together. Sorry. It's alright, baby. It's time for you to get out of here now. I got somebody else coming over.
That looks like an EGT, which...
Oh, I was afraid of that.
Yeah.
Now, what is it?
It looks like a temperature sensor. Let me see. This shit filters and this tells it, hey, the cat's good or the cat's not good, but we don't need this no more.
If you think about it, we're all just big oxygen sensors.
Why is that?
Because if we're not breathing, our sensor goes out. We'd be like, Why don't we just take this off and then we'll tape it right here?
Well, we can, but I want to unplug it if we can, and if we can't, we'll cut it.
Alright.
Taking out your seat right now.
Fuck it, bro.
Yeah,
take out something.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Somebody's gotta take out these seats, bro.
My bad, Paul Walker.
Pablo Walker.
Pablo
Walker. Get the name. Pablo Walker's my name. Fixing up skylines is my game. On to the next one, bro.
On to the next one. You're gonna sell this cat
Sell this cat
for some crack money.
$40. Get us 2 rocks and then some.
Yeah, look at this compared to our beautiful new exhaust. We gotta put it next to each other.
Bang gang, y'all. You feeling me? Yeah.
Some overnight parts from Japan. If you can't find what you need in this garage,
You don't belong anywhere near a garage.
yeah.
Or something like that, right? Or near a car. You don't belong anywhere near a car.
If you can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong near a car.
Alright, you know how to put it on?
Yep.
Cause I don't.
No, that's all good, bro. I got you, bro. I'm gonna put this to that. You know, that don't work with, it's like Tetris, but with an exhaust. Kimi no to Atori Hanzo Sorda Mitsubishi Hanzo Kona Mushi Nihama Konnichiwa Sushi desu ne?
Alright, can you translate that to Spanish?
Aremangala repujala, aremangala repujala, aremangala repujala. Very happy, very sad. Happy, sad. Oh, it's in English on this side. Stock exhaust hingered. Okay, now we have these. For those of you watching at home, let me show you what these are for exactly.
Hey bro, what are you doing? Cleaning the gasket.
Hold on, cause okay, bro. When this thing fell off, I'm like, okay, I was cleaning this for a little bit, so I thought that was dumb. But then there's another one on here. So
damn, that's in there.
they're dumb, but I'm double dumb.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I think it'll be good, yeah.
I think I can get this in if you. Let me see. Alright, you got it?
Yeah, I'm holding. What do you think, Mechanic Ralph? Handyman Ralph?
If I don't even have to look at the nut. As long as I just listen to my heart.
It'll go in?
And use my ninja focus. Concentrate my chakras.
Your chakras.
Alright, it's going in.
Yeah?
Smooth, bro.
Damn. Yeah, but how you gonna time that shit?
I have like extreme strength. I know I don't look it because I'm skinny like a crackhead, but if I smoke a lot of crack, I'll get like a boost of adrenaline.
You get crackhead strength?
It's true crack. Oh, bro, I lift the car off a crack rock.
So we're almost done with the exhaust. How do you feel?
I feel like a man.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
He's gonna slide in.
Right after I do this, I'm gonna go eat me a steak. Medium rare.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta start on this side. Oh yeah, damn. Oh, look at that,
Suck it to me, baby.
bro. You're a mechanic.
Oh yeah.
You should have been a mechanic, not an electrician.
This is thanks to all those years of watching Fast and the Furious. Hey, Nissan Skyline BNR 32 build day number 1. We have just finished the titanium exhaust thanks to Tomei or Toemi or something with a T.
I have no idea.
This thing looks freaking sick, bro.
Well, I think we put it on backwards, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. It'll still work though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck
It'll
it.
be exactly the same.
Fuck it.
If we flip it.
This thing was. This is what I was worried about.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. But if
Told
that
me.
bothers you, we'll flip it before.
Nah, bro. Let's do it.
All right. Yeah. Let's wipe off our fingerprints.
Yeah, we're gonna wipe off our fingerprints. Bang the gang, y'all. You feeling me? Yeah, yeah.
All right. First startup attempt. You think the car is gonna turn on? All right. Let's see if you notice the difference. It shot fire, bro.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah, it shot fire.
How does this one go down?
How do you feel about your new exhaust?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna chill already. I'm gonna let my uncle sleep. He's he's upstairs, probably mad as hell.
Your uncle sleep?
The whole neighborhood sleep. Because right now it sounds like, but I want it to sound like. Well, thanks for helping me out with this.
Hell yeah.